We'll guide you through how to fix Roblox not launching. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying, so here are some simple fixes to try. First, we'll reinstall Roblox. Go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Remove Programs. Then search for Roblox. Click the three dots next to it and hit Uninstall. Once uninstalled, go to roblox.com, find any game, and click Play. You'll see Now Loading, and then an option to download. Click it, then open your Downloads folder and run the installer. After installing, try pressing Join again. Roblox should now launch. If not, go to your search bar and type Task Manager. In Task Manager, search for anything named Roblox. If anything shows up, select it and click End Task. Next, find the Roblox Player shortcut. Right-click on it, then click Open File Location. Right-click again, choose Properties, go to Compatibility, and check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Now go to the search bar again and type Run. In the box, type %10% and press OK. Select everything in the folder, then right-click and delete it. Finally, go back to Roblox and try launching the game. That's it. Hope this helps.